Welcome to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. This is part 4 of a 5-part series. You can find the links to the other parts in the video description below. In this video, we will show you 4 different ways to fold dumplings. As a reminder, because making dumplings is a slightly complicated process, it is commonly made by the entire family as a bonding experience. We highly recommend making dumplings with your friends or family as a fun cooking activity. Start by placing your dumpling wrapper on one hand and have your filling in a bowl nearby. Put about 1 tablespoon of filling in the middle of your wrapper. You may need to adjust the amount of your filling depending on the size of your wrapper. If the wrapper can hold a little bit more, add a little bit more filling. If the wrapper is on the smaller end, put a little less filling. For this first method, once you have the filling in the wrapper, fold the wrapper in half and pinch in the middle. Start on one end of the wrapper and fold towards the middle. Once done, start on the other end of the wrapper and fold towards the middle. You will have slightly more wrapper on one side as you fold towards the middle, so you will naturally have creases as you fold. In the end, you will end up with a crescent-shaped dumpling. Tip: make sure you pinch the wrappers hard enough so they stick to one another. Otherwise, they will open up and the filling will come out when you boil the dumplings. For the second method, start by placing your filling into the middle of the wrapper. While you hold the wrapper and filling on one hand, start pinching on one end and move towards the other end by offsetting the pinching slightly on both sides. This will result in a beautiful creased look on both sides. Tip: if you put in too much filling, it will make it hard to pinch the wrapper shut. You can try pushing in the filling so that it's more compacted. This is why when we made the wrappers, it was important to make sure it had a thicker middle so it can stretch to accommodate the dumpling filling. This third method is slightly more advanced but fun to try. Once you have the filling in the middle of the wrapper, fold in half and pinch in the middle. Lay the wrapper on your pointer finger and press down with your thumb to pinch one half of the wrapper together. Lay the other half of the wrapper on the pointer finger of your other hand and press down with your thumb on that hand. Press down with both of your thumbs onto your pointer fingers and pinch hard towards the middle to seal. This method takes a little bit of patience and practice to do correctly. Make sure you pinch hard enough to seal the wrapper completely. Tip: because you have to pinch down with your thumbs, This method of folding dumplings means you cannot put in as much filling as the other methods. Lastly, start again by putting your filling in the middle of your wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half and simply pinch the wrapper together. No creases needed. Double check that the wrapper is pinched tightly and will not open. Take the two ends, stretch slightly, and bring the two ends together and pinch to hold together. Flip the dumpling over and you'll have this very beautiful, fun-shaped dumpling that looks like a metal ingot used in ancient China, called a yuanbao, which translates to valuable treasure. We hope you will have fun making dumplings using these methods. Thank you for watching this video. Continue on to part 5 of this series on how to make dumplings to learn how to cook your dumplings.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Chinese Homestyle Cooking channel. 谢谢。